Hello again, this is Edith. This is a quick, no fuss, no cook meal. What I did was I began marinating some artichoke hearts in olive oil and red wine vinegar. I diced up some tomatoes and onions, and I let that all marinate with the artichoke hearts. After that, I chopped up some lettuce, carrots, and purple cabbage, and I made that for the bed. And then I diced up some pre-cooked chicken that is Southwest seasoned that you can buy in your grocer's refrigerator. Then I covered it with some Kraft Italian cheese blend that has a touch of Philadelphia cream cheese in it. And then I salted it and peppered it to taste, and I just kind of garnished it with some olives. And this can go with anything. You can put a few pieces of chicken and the artichoke heart and lettuce mixture in a phyllo shell. You can make it into one of these really tasty wraps. And they're all really quick and equally as delicious. It's a really well-seasoned salad and lightly garnished with just some olives. And one other thing that you can do is to either get some regular bread or some French bread and put down some like salami, bologna, and ham, and then use this salad mixture as the rest of the filling. And I'm telling you, it is absolutely delicious, really quick, really easy, and I'm telling you guys, this is just wonderful. So here you have a salad mixture that you can use with anything. The marinade is really simple.